A new chapter in smartphone innovation is getting closer, and this time it's coming from Apple. Fresh leaks have revealed exciting details about the company's first foldable device, which is expected to be called the iPhone Ultra Fold. This device could arrive as early as September, and it might completely change how people look at foldable phones. Foldable smartphones have been around for a few years, but they still have some common issues. One of the biggest problems has been the visible crease in the middle of the screen. Now, Apple is reportedly working on a solution to remove that crease completely. If this turns out to be true, it could give the iPhone Fold a huge advantage over other foldable devices in the market. The display is one of the most exciting parts of this device. According to leaks, the iPhone Fold will feature a large 7.8-inch internal screen. This means users will get a tablet-like experience when the phone is unfolded. Watching videos, playing games, and multitasking could feel much more immersive on such a big display. At the same time, there will also be a 5.5-inch external screen. This outer display will allow quick access to apps, messages, and notifications without needing to open the phone every time. This dual-screen setup makes the device very flexible. It can work as a normal smartphone when closed and transform into a mini tablet when opened. This kind of versatility could attract both casual users and professionals who want a device that can handle multiple tasks easily. Performance is another area where this device is expected to shine. The iPhone Fold is rumored to be powered by the new A20 Pro chip. This chip is said to be built using an advanced 2-nanometer process by TSMC. This means better performance and improved energy efficiency compared to previous generations. With this powerful chip, users can expect faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and better overall performance. Whether it's gaming, video editing, or running heavy apps, the device should handle everything without slowing down. Along with the processor, the phone is expected to come with 12 GB of DDR5X RAM. This will help in managing multiple apps at the same time without any lag. Storage options are also expected to be generous. The base model could start at 256 GB, while higher variants may go up to 1 TB. This gives users plenty of space for photos, videos, apps, and files, making the device suitable for both everyday use and professional work. However, all of this advanced technology comes at a price. The iPhone Fold is expected to start at around $1,999, making it one of the most expensive smartphones ever released. The top variant with 1 TB storage could go as high as $2,399. This clearly places the device in the ultra-premium category. This high price means the phone may not be for everyone. It will likely target early adopters, tech enthusiasts, and loyal Apple users who want the latest and most advanced technology. While the price may seem too high for many people, it reflects the level of innovation and engineering behind the device. Even with its high price, the iPhone Fold could have a massive impact on the smartphone industry. Apple has a strong history of introducing new technologies and making them popular worldwide. From touchscreens to face recognition, the company has often played a key role in shaping the market. If the iPhone Fold delivers on its promises, it could boost the popularity of foldable phones globally. Some reports suggest that Apple's entry into this market could increase foldable phone shipments by up to 30%. This would not only benefit Apple, but also push other companies to improve their own foldable devices. At the same time, there are still some challenges. Foldable phones are still a relatively new category, and many users have concerns about durability. Questions about how long the hinge will last and how strong the screen is are still common. Apple will need to prove that its foldable device is not just innovative but also reliable for long-term use. Another challenge is convincing people that a foldable phone is worth the high price. Many users are still comfortable with traditional smartphones, and switching to a foldable device is a big decision. Apple will need to offer a strong reason for users to make that change. Despite these challenges, the iPhone Fold represents a bold step forward. It combines a large flexible display, powerful hardware, and a premium design into one device. If everything works as expected, it could set a new standard for smartphones and inspire the next wave of innovation in the industry. The future of smartphones could be changing once again, and this time, foldable devices might finally become mainstream. Apple's entry into this space could be the push that the market needs to grow even faster. If more updates like this are interesting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so no future tech leaks and updates are missed.